here goes nothing. There's the offending damaged piece in my Panasonic bread maker. The new piece has arrived today, and that's it there, all nice bright and shiny. Now I've got to figure out how to get it in. Right, stripping it down I guess is the first thing, so let's start that. I suppose we take that bit out. More damage caused. Right, let's get it instead. And I'm guessing those 4 screws need to come out. So let's get on with that. The cable's going to have to come out next. So that's the next job. So we need to take out this bolt, remove this, and the spindle should be underneath. So let's give that a go then. Okay, so that's that off. It's a bit of a struggle to get off, but it's come off. Line everything up so I know where everything goes. And this is the bottom end of the connector that fits onto the pan. Okay, so we need to remove that. So there we go, we've got that pin almost out. Just need to remove it now. There we go. That's got that bugger. So there's the pin. Goes into the groove. I'll take that off. Put that there so we don't lose it. Now, let's see. There we go. We have it. Nice and easy. Not a difficult job at all. So now I'm just going to clean up inside. Put a bit of grease in there. And the jobs are done. Good one. So there you can see the new spindle is in, and the locking washer is on. That's not going anywhere. Right, let's put it all back together. Okay, so that's the drive wheel back on. And there we go, back on, all working nicely. Now, just the covers to go back on, the feet, and the cable back in, and that's fine, everything done. That was a nice, easy job. Well, thank you Panasonic for making that easy. And there we are, simple as that, all done and dusted. Now let's put it to the test, shall we? Switch it on and see if it still works. Fingers crossed. Well, so far so good. That's a quick bread program on. Let's see if it works. Come back in 2 hours. Bish bosh. Right, okay, so end of program. Let's see what the damage is. Well, there we go. That's cooked quite well. I'm happy with that. The roof's come off the bread, but that's because I put spices in there and it happens all the time. But otherwise, fantastic. Good, good.